Hey YouTube, G Bonnie Barnes here. Got another shipment from FiTech for Ultimate LS. This time it's part number 70065, which is the LS3 sheet metal intake manifold, just the intake and fuel rails. I got this straight from FiTech. It was with $399, which is quite cheap, almost $100. It's over $100 cheaper than what you would find on eBay or on any other websites like LSX Celebration. Again, this is just the intake and fuel rails. It's not the what they call the loaded intake. It has the throttle body, injectors, and everything else included. Let's open up and see what we got. I can find my knife. Here it is. It's kind of funny though, they put just the intake in the Ultimate LS box, which is kind of different, but let's see what we got here. Okay, well, just like it says, we got the intake and fuel rails. Well, that's kind of weird. Got an instruction manual for the Ultimate LS system. But a bunch of the pages are cut out, and it's just for the intake setup. That's kind of, well, it's got the harness too. Wow. I don't know why they would do that, but no, they did. Kind of like they just tossed it in the box, you know. Here's our fuel rails, radial lines, the brackets that bolt onto the intake, nice bullet rails, all the hardware you need. Here's the intake. The short style. It's got a notch here. The other one didn't have that. I wonder what that's for. Nice quality construction. It's got the square port LS3. There's your vacuum ports for your power brake setup or your PCV. One nice thing about these that the other aftermarket ones don't have, even the Holley Sniper EFI sheet metal intake manifold, is they have the Fitechs put the map sensor location on the back of the intake, which is kind of cool, kind of out of the way, makes it neat. Some of them put them underneath, which can be a pain in the butt to get to, especially if you want to replace them. If you're going with like from a regular setup to a boosted setup, you gotta change map sensors or disconnecting them. This one actually makes it nice and easy, right in the back. Comes with all the hardware, gaskets, the fittings for the fuel lines. A really nice piece. Again, this is $399. By far the cheapest sheet metal intake on the market with what it comes with. And I hope you like my video. Feel free to subscribe and ask any questions. I'll do my best to answer them to the best of my knowledge. You guys have a great day.